What are the risks of too many open-source licenses? Imagine you are a developer excited to contribute to a new software project. You dive in, only to find a maze of open-source licenses waiting for you. This scenario highlights the risks associated with having too many open-source licenses in a single project. Let's break down these risks in a straightforward way. First, when multiple licenses are involved, confusion can arise. Each license has its own set of rules. Some may requiring that any changes made to the software also be shared with the public. Others may allow you to keep your modifications private. This mix can make it hard for developers and users to know what they can and cannot do. As a result, some may unintentionally violate a license, leading to legal issues. Next, compliance becomes a challenge. Keeping track of various licenses and their specific terms can be overwhelming. If a company fails to comply, it might face serious consequences. This could include lawsuits or even financial penalties. In the world of artificial intelligence and technology, where software components are often combined, these risks multiply. Companies must be careful to follow all licensing rules to avoid losing intellectual property rights. Community engagement can also suffer. When contributors see a project tangled in multiple licenses, they may hesitate to participate. They might worry about how their contributions will be used, especially if some licenses allow for proprietary use. This hesitance can slow down innovation and limit the growth of the project. Additionally, dependency and supply chain risks can increase. If a software project relies on many licenses, there is a chance that future changes to those licenses could disrupt development. This uncertainty can lead to delays in product releases. Moreover, if a company does not comply with license terms, it may miss out on important updates, leaving its systems vulnerable. Operational and financial risks are also significant. Non-compliance can harm a company's reputation and lead to costly legal battles. The penalties for failing to follow licensing rules can be severe, affecting a company's market position and overall value. For those working in artificial intelligence and technology, managing these risks is vital. It is essential to ensure that all licenses are compatible and that the company remains compliant. Legal teams should carefully review license terms, especially those that requiring sharing source code. This can conflict with business interests and trade secrets. To mitigate these risks, companies can take practical steps. Conducting thorough audits of all licenses involved is a good start. Consulting legal experts who specialize in open source and technology law can help clarify obligations. Utilizing compliance tools can also streamline the process of managing licenses. Training development teams on license requirements is crucial. Keeping everyone informed about changes to open source components can prevent future issues. Companies may also consider dual licensing strategies to balance the benefits of open source with the need for commercial protection. In summary, having too many open source licenses can create a complex web of legal and operational challenges. These challenges can lead to non-compliance, loss of intellectual property, and disengagement from the community. For companies in artificial intelligence and technology, careful management of these risks is essential to protect their innovations and ensure lawful use of open source software.